bottom of your screen. And Smith throwing wide open on the near side of the field, complete to Charkandrick West. Smith down the near sideline. It is caught at the 10-yard line from their own 25, and Alex Smith comes up throwing.
Every time we played against the San Diego Chargers, you bet your life on it that I was watching him to see what he was doing and how he was working those routes.
Their stats were and what their numbers were, and they did push each other.
Quick pass to the far side, and that's Albert Wilson. Wilson to the 20, to the 10, and tripped up before he got to the end zone. First and goal. This is Alex Smith for the keeper, looking for the end zone touchdown. And a nice block out in front of him by Travis Kelce. Smith rolling, throwing, touchdown. West out of the backfield. Smith with good time and throws to the far side. Alex Smith waiting, going, sideline, it is caught! And Alex Smith to throw, with time, throwing, wide open in the middle of the field, that is Hill, and Hill to the 40. And Alex Smith will rocket to the 30-yard line, and Chris Conley. West, touchdown. That looked really easy.
Well, looked very familiar, too. It's the same touchdown pass they threw earlier with the rollout
today. Make it 7 out of 8. Jeremy Macklin. And Macklin down at about the 33-yard line. Hill with blockers.